This female has just over a year in which to breed and raise her young. To do that, she has to find a safe den. She must choose carefully. Good dens are rare. A discarded toilet could perhaps serve, but this one is engaged. A squirt from its owner's ink sac makes things clear. She keeps looking. Many of the available den sites are too exposed. This plastic pipe is also occupied by a male. It's an irresistible performance. So she inspects his den. She gives his den and him her seal of approval, and the two mate. A few days later, she starts laying her eggs inside the pipe. She will eventually produce about 500 of them. She strokes them with her suckers. But laying her eggs will be the last act of her life. All octopus mothers die in their dens, and uses her siphon to propel them to independence. In their year-long lives, her final resting place was the home that she set out to find, but perhaps not the grave that anyone might consider appropriate for such a dedicated parent.